This is Dr. Eric McGraw at Active Care Chiropractic. I'm joined with one of our patients, David, today, and we're gonna talk to surfers. We're gonna give some of our surfers some tips. So we've got some muscles painted on David, and we're gonna talk about that shoulder pain from popping up on your board, paddling, or waiting for a wave and having that poor posture. So to correct the postural, you can see here how we have scar tissue when it's gotten to this point, typically a treatment point, but for that poor posture where we kind of roll those shoulders in, literally the humerus will just beat up this area where the deltoid, bicep, and pec meet. So with our patients, we teach something called ab bracing. We're kind of tightening this area of our abdominals out, sit them up here, and push this out. So when he pushes that out, he's not going to be able to fall into that posture. Another thing here we do at the office, but you could also do this at home if you have someone to wrap you, is something called a VooDoo band. So what'll happen is, this is a tight band that some of the literature says restricts blood flow. Maybe it just modifies the blood flow, but you want it on there pretty tight. And our patients, after they do this, they tend to see a better range of motion and they feel better through the shoulder. So you pretty much wrap it as tight as you can, tuck it in like that. If you don't feel comfortable or you feel some numbness tingling in your hand, just make sure it sticks out so you can just pull it. And then we have that patient go through a range of motion. The band almost supports their shoulder while they're doing the range of motion. Like I said, the literature and how it works is they think that it modifies blood flow, but we almost always have a positive comment from patients about how their shoulders feel after that. Once you do your 2 minutes, you can do different range of motions. If you've never done this before, I would not go over 2 minutes, and then you just pull it out and unwrap it. So hopefully that's some good tips for our surfers. Like I said, I'm Dr. Eric McGraw at Active Care Chiropractic.